Okay, what will I buy? Actually, I like to buy this good. This also good. This one. Yeah, I don't know. This also good. Yeah, and or maybe this one. Yeah, I don't know what to buy, so I choose. Mixu here in Thailand. Mixu here in Thailand. So here they have this. The today, I think. And then this is the Mixu. Okay. Yeah, I'm here in the upper floor. So these are the. I think here you see all the food court, and then the cinema. Let's see the cinema, huh? How it goes here in Thailand. So this is the cinema here in Thailand. Yeah, Cineplex. So this is how it goes the ticket. Will I watch or will I not? See? Good waiting area. Yeah, good waiting area. So this is the cinema here. Yeah, I'm sitting here waiting on the cinema entrance. See, this is their waiting area. Very good. Okay. So if you want to buy ticket, all is electronic. Okay. So this is the last floor. So it's all eatery here. There's a Kopi Chonde, Daddy Do, then MK restaurants. So there are so many food to choose here for the dinings. Yeah. Also in the ground floor there are so many food chains. There's also Pizza Hut here. Yeah, and there's the Hot Choice Cineplex. Okay. So I will go down in the Daddy Do. I will go down because I will eat. I saw a food chain. So we'll eat there in Chester's. You see. Okay, bye-bye.